Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves your wallet from those regrettable purchases and helps you make the smartest choices. Today, we've got an aerial battle for you. Two drones are going head-to-head in an epic showdown, the SYMA drone and the Loiley drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a high-flying, laugh-inducing comparison. First up, let's talk about the camera quality. On the left, we have the SYMA drone, boasting a 1080p HD camera and FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. It promises stable and clearer views, which is just a fancy way of saying, hey, your blurry selfies are a thing of the past. Now, on the right, we have the Loiley drone, also with a 1080p camera. But wait, it has a trick up its plastic sleeve, a remotely adjustable camera angle up to 90 degrees. So it's like the SYMA drone, but with a yoga instructor who can do a perfect downward dog. Both drones are great for capturing stunning photos and videos, but Loiley's camera flexibility might just make it the yogi master of drone photography. Namaste SYMA. Reviewers love SYMA's camera quality, but they also appreciate Loiley's adjustable angles for more dynamic shots. Next, let's dive into user control and features. The SYMA drone comes with a smart app control, which sounds impressive until you realize your 5-year-old nephew could probably program it. You can draw a route on the app and the drone will follow it. It's like having a super obedient pet that doesn't need potty training. Meanwhile, the Loiley drone is like that overly enthusiastic friend who just learned all the latest dance moves. It has voice control, gesture selfies, 360 degrees flips, and even lets you add music and filters. Basically, it's a drone and a TikTok influencer all rolled into one. If you're into high-tech features and want to impress your friends, Loiley's got you covered. But if you prefer a simpler, more obedient drone, SYMA's your go-to. Reviewers say SYMA is easy to use and great for beginners, while Loiley offers advanced features that make flying exciting and fun. Now, let's talk battery life. SYMA promises up to 40 minutes of flight time with its 2 powerful batteries. That's longer than most of my relationships. Plus, it has low voltage and overcurrent protection, so it's basically the drone equivalent of a helicopter parent. On the other hand, Loiley offers 25 to 30 minutes of flight time, which is still pretty decent. But it also comes with a low battery warning on the remote, so you won't end up with a drone stuck in a tree while you frantically Google how to rescue a drone. SYMA's got the endurance, but Loiley's got that early warning system. It's like comparing a marathon runner to a sprinter who knows when to stop for a snack. According to reviews, SYMA's battery life and durability are impressive, while Loiley's safety features are a hit among users. Moving on to portability and design. The SYMA drone is sturdy with propeller guards and a modular design that makes it easier to charge. It's the tank of drones, ready to take on any obstacle your backyard can throw at it. Loiley, however, is your ultimate travel buddy. It's compact, lightweight, and folds up nicely to fit in your pocket or backpack. No need for FAA registration either, because it's under 250 grams. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, always ready for an adventure. If you're looking for something rugged and reliable, SYMA's your drone. But if you need a travel companion that won't weigh you down, Loiley's the one to beat. Reviewers appreciate SYMA's durability and Loiley's portability. Both the SYMA drone and Loiley drone have received positive feedback from users. SYMA is praised for its durability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it an excellent choice for beginners and young pilots. On the other hand, Loiley stands out with its advanced features, adjustable camera angles, and portability, appealing to those looking for a more versatile and travel-friendly drone. So there you have it, folks. The SYMA drone and the Loiley drone both have their strengths and quirks. Whether you're looking for stability and longer flights with SYMA, or a versatile, travel-friendly experience with Loiley, you can't go wrong with either choice. Remember, the best drone is the one that fits your needs and makes you feel like a true aerial ace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Also, leave a comment about which drone you prefer and product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.